Welcome back to Fishing with Nordbye, you goober. We are just getting out here to the lake today. We're excited, but this video is going to be a little lengthier video. I hope you enjoy it. At least I hope it is. I hope we catch enough fish to make it a longer video. But the goal today is to teach you how to read your electronics better to catch these deep fish. I know I've showed you some finding brush piles in some of my past videos, how to read your graphs, see the brush on the graph, see what the fish look like inside the brush to know if there's fish there, if there's bait fish around. So we're gonna graph some brush piles today and hopefully find the bass out deep. It's summertime, it's hot, they like to get in the deep brush, deep points. So we're just gonna see where we find the bass today. Cody's gonna be chucking the big worm. Excited?
Yeah, I'm excited to actually swim. This is our first time coming out when it's like 96 degrees.
Yeah, it is toasty today, folks, but we're gonna jump in the water. We got our swimsuits on, swim trunks, and we gotta cool off. We're gonna stay out here for as long as we can endure the heat. Hopefully get on the giants. Hope you learned something today. Let's go catch some, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not. I post a ton of videos like this. She's always catching giants, and we're moving down to Alabama here in about a month, so get pumped for that. We'll be fishing for even bigger Florida strains. We're excited. Let's go. Alright, so we should be coming up on our brush pile here. Try to block out the glare for you, see what it looks like. We're at about 16 foot, and there's the brush pile. We're coming over it right now, and you can see those dark spots in it. I think there's a few bass in it. One there, one in the middle, one at the bottom. Looks like a few bass, and I think we're about to come over another brush pile. Yep, there it is. Looks like there's some bait fish up by the top. There's a few bait fish there. That's a bass suspended 2 feet off the ground. Another little brush pile. And we're gonna stop and fish these. That's what we're looking for right there. And I had them marked on my graph here. You can see these little tree waypoints. Those are my brush piles marked. All right guys, super windy day out. I made a modification to the camera. Hopefully the wind noise isn't as bad. Probably still will be because it's like 25-mile-an-hour winds. Couldn't do anything without spot lock on the trolling motor there, but I gotta get out a big worm here, and we just graphed over some brush piles. We're gonna cast on them, drag these big worms, and see if we can get any to bite. Cody's got her little life raft. She's gonna float behind the boat and do a little tanning today after we catch a few fish. So hopefully she doesn't get that bored, but who knows. She says she wants to catch a big one, then she's gonna tan. I ain't tanning. I ain't tanning. Okay guys, got a 1/2 ounce tungsten weight, a 4/0 katana hook. These hooks are amazing. They don't bend out in these brush piles. And then I got it pegged. That way the weight doesn't come apart from the worm when you're going up and down limbs. And we're gonna cast out here, see if we can get on a few. Perfect. No bites yet on the big worm. I'm gonna try cranking in this wind, see what happens. Shoot, I'm on. Yeah, I'm on it too. There's one. Yep. Crushed it. What do we got? Yeah, that was a tiny one. Super tiny. That's hilarious. Oh my gosh, we're about to run into this boat. I'm gonna move us. He's blowing all over. Wow. There's one. Oh, he's in the brush pile. Oh, he came out. Got him. Look at that giant, guys. 2 in a row on the crank. Just a giant. Wow. All right. Little boy ducket, 12-foot diver. Coming over the tops of those brush piles. Another little one. Where the big one's at?
All right, this is how it's done.
I don't know what's going on, but they're not biting. Okay, we're just pulling up to another brush pile. This one's sticking out. And Cody, you get first cast at it, all right? All right. Oh, I just missed one. Shoot. Nice, babe. Get him. You got a giant, don't you? Oh my gosh, I'm getting the net out. Oh my goodness. There we go. Cody's got a giant, whatever it is, hooked up on this point.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Yes. Look at that. Good job, babe. Just a giant. Whew. Yeah.
Felt like a 10-pounder.
Yeah. Nice. Oh, yes. Yeah, that was awesome. On the wired jig, huh?
Yeah.
Perfect, babe. That's a big one. Look at that, guys. Whew. I'd say 4.5. That's a stud. That's a
Felt a lot
stud.
bigger.
Yeah. Wow. That's a giant, honey.
That was fun.
Yeah. Oh, is he gonna jump? Nope, there he goes. Woo! Wow, you set the hook and it was like a log.
I know, I didn't even think I had one.
I thought you were hooked on a log. Wow. Oh, there's someone. Take it. Oh, yep. Come on. Oh, he's behind the brush. Felt like a big one. Yep, come on. Oh man, he's behind the brush. Come on now. He's still on there. Gosh. Yeah, he's still on there. We gotta go get him. Shoot. Thing we got braid on. He's still on there. I feel him. Come on now. I don't know how to get it off of there. I broke it. Dang. I gotta retie. Catch a giant, Cody.
Okay.
Oh, Cody's hooked up. Oh, it's behind the brush too? Shoot! Please come out. Is he still on? Can't tell. No way. Two of them got us wrapped up? That's nuts. Got it off. Sure did. Took the worm down. Alright, we're both rigged back up, set up in the exact spot where we both lost one in the brush. We've gone over the brush twice with the boat, stirring them up with the trolling motor. It's only about 15 foot deep there, so hopefully it didn't disturb them too bad. We're going to try to see if any more will bite. Coming up and down limbs here, feels good. Yeah, I got one. Yeah. Oh, he got off. Oh my gosh. You got off. Why are they getting off? Oh, I'm in it, and there's a fish. Yep. Come on, don't get down in the brush. It's a good one too. We've been missing the. Oh man, this is a tank. Oh. You grab the net, babe. It's right under me. Yep. Oh yeah, jumper. Oh. There we go. Oh, stay down. Woo. Woo! Look at that.
Wow.
Yes.
What is that, 6?
Yeah, that one's probably 5. That one's probably 5. Oh gosh.
That's what
Look at that. That is awesome. Gaffed over, deep brush pile, fished it. Oh, we've missed like 4 or 5 fish in a row, and they keep getting down in the brush and we can't pull them out. It's probably because they're all this big. They're all 4 or 5 pounders. Oh, that was a good one. Look at that, guys. Big old slaunch. All right, we're gonna let him go now. See ya. Go back home. That'll work. Cast like right there. You come through some? Unless they come up and eat it, which they do a lot of times. Sometimes you gotta drop it all the way down to them. There's one. Yep. Oh, it's another big one. Not as big as that last one, I don't think. Come on. Oh yeah, jumper.
Nice.
I'll bow flip this one. Look at that. Big old bass. Uh-oh, we got us a derp, guys. We got us a derp. This dude's jaw is jacked up. Look at that bump on him, and then it's totally broke over here. Man, he got beat as a child. Whew, he said, "Hey guy, yeah, I just been feeding on them shad down there. See ya." Whew. There we go, guys, another one. Same brush pile we lost all those in. The wind's blowing a different direction, and we were having a hard time getting them out, pulling against the wind, so we came downwind of it, and we're getting them out now. Just pulling the boat out of the lake here at Mazingo, we had a good time. We caught some big fish, you know. We both got one over 4 pounds. Cody caught that one, is probably 4.5. Mine was probably just over 5. Caught that other one that was about 3, that derp. You always gotta talk like a derp when you catch one that has a jacked up mouth. Had a good time tonight. Hope you guys learned something about fishing deep, fishing brush piles. Tried to show you a little bit about graphing brush piles, what to look for, and it was kind of sunny, kind of hard to do that, so I didn't do too much of it. I was hoping to do more of it, but there'll be another day for that. So stay tuned for some more videos to come out, and hit that thumbs up button for me. We caught a couple bass that were huge tonight, so yeah, it helps my channel grow. I appreciate all you guys, what you're doing, and watching all my videos. And we'll catch you next time on Fishing with Nordbye.